Hey there! Do you want to work faster in Microsoft Word? Today, I'll be sharing you quick keyboard shortcuts to save you time. Without taking much of your time, let's get right into the video.
For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making use of this content here, this story here, this document here. First thing first, I want to convert these headings into capital letter in capitals. First thing is to highlight on it, then use the shortcuts of Ctrl, Shift, and A. Ctrl, Shift, and A. Now, if you want to align a particular contents or the word or a paragraph, instead of right click highlighting on the statements or the content you want to highlight on, and then come here to align the text to your preferred choice. You can also use this and use Ctrl R to align to the right, Ctrl L to align to the left, Ctrl E to align to the middle, which is center. And to undo this, you can use Ctrl Z to take it back to how it was. Now, instead of having to I want to cut this particular word out, this particular sentence out. Instead of having to align and then right click, go through the normal method of right clicking and then cut, I just use Ctrl X and then come to where you want to paste it on. Click on Ctrl B to view, and then to justify this or to adjust the spacing level, the align on it, highlight your main further, it's on it, I see Ctrl J, it will adjust the spacing unnecessarily. If you want to undo this, the shortcut for it is Ctrl Z. If you want to redo it, the shortcut for it is Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y. And then if you want to save, instead of going through the route of coming here to click on this and then this, you just Ctrl S, put in your title and then save. Then you save. That's it.
Thank you. Hope these shortcuts help. Do you want more tips? Join our free Microsoft Office course, link in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch us on our next episode. Bye.